We will export different type of points as a group type. Also, we will learn about how we can separate different type of points in different groups. We will create different groups. If we have existing ground or design ground points, how we can separate in each group. So we will create different type of groups in this tutorial. First of all, we will go to the point creation tool, and from here we will select the point creation. So first, when we create the point creation tool, so from here we can see here is the option import group. So from here we will just select and we will click here. Once we click, we will go to this add file. From here we can easily add file. So once we click on file, from here we can import different type of format like PM, CSV, XYZ, and all type of files is available. Even as a TXT you can import it. So I have this CSV file. I will export this CSV file as a group. But remember that if you have any CSV file, this is our CSV file. So CSV file here should be serial number, string, northing, elevation, and description. So if you have in this area or here on the top, if you have any type of alphabetic like ABC, any kind of word, if you have in this section, so this CSV file will be not supported by this. Whenever you are going to import any CSV or any TXT file, make sure this file is not open in your computer. If it's open, it will not be able to open in the software. So first is close and make sure this format is this format your file should be get ready, then you can easily import. So close, and now we will select from here our CSV file. So once you select, click here, and from here we have different type of format. So in which format is your file? For example, serial number, string, northing, point, elevation, and description. So we have this type: point, string, northing, elevation, and description, comma delimited. So I will just click from here. Even you can create group from here if you want to create any type of group, but we will create it later. So click here OK. Now you can see that your point is imported. So enter from your keyboard Z spacebar, E spacebar. Now you can see this is your points which we import recently. But before importing the points file, 2-3 most important thing you should remember, which I explain. No alphabetic word in the first column rows, and secondly the file should be closed, then it can import very easily. So now if we go to the point here we have all points. If we go to the property, from the property we can display on this point, elevation, and description, and from here we can change any type of point style easily. So click here and OK. So if kind of this, you can even decrease the text and point size, or you can just go to the scale. From scale you can just reduce it's up to 1:250.